Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, a student looking for extra income, or simply someone seeking a flexible work-life balance, there are opportunities out there that can make this dream a reality. Today I'm going to show you two websites that pays $500 to $1,000 weekly doing simple work by just working from home with laptop. So watch complete video till end because I am also showing you trick how you can complete work easily to scale your earning to 500 to $1,000 weekly. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in now. The first website is Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me offers different transcription services to the clients as well as business and organization. They are offering so many services like transcription, automated transcription, AI training data sets, data annotation, and translation. And that's the reason there is a huge opportunity on this site to become a freelancer. Scroll down, and here you will find freelancer tab. Click on it, then you will land on the transcribeme.com freelancer webpage. So here, if you can see, they are paying around $15 to $22 per hour of video. Also, on an average, you can make $250 monthly, and if you are a team, then they are paying around $60 to $70 per audio hour. So this is how you can make money on this site. But wait, I will also show you a simple trick through which you can scale this earning to around $500 to $1,000 as I mentioned earlier. So now how you can get started on this site. So to become freelancer on this site, you just first need to create an account. Okay, whatever necessary information, just fill in there and then register, then connect your PayPal account so that once you are done with your work, they will pay you with the help of PayPal. Then take exams. After passing the exam, then only your account will be activated. So that means this website is purely legit. They are not just offering work to anyone. You have to crack the entrance exam. Then only you will able to join the team of Transcribe Me as a freelancer. So this is about the Transcribe Me. Second website is Rave.com. Rave.com is one of the best and very popular website when it comes to the transcription and captioner work. They are offering various services to the business like human transcription, human captions, global subtitles, AI transcription, and AI caption. That means there is a huge opportunity on this website. They are also working with the client like CBS, Stanford, PBS, TCM, Viacom, and all other popular names. Here on this site, there is a lots of variety of work like notes, interview, and capturing any aha moments during the conversation. Another part, they also have a mobile app, means you can also get work and also check from your mobile. How to become a freelancer on this website? If you scroll down and click on the freelancer, you will land into freelancer tab. On the freelancer tab, they are mentioning that jobs that let you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning, subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Then create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs and get paid weekly. Doesn't it seems very awesome? I believe yes, right? And hope you guys are with me. So here is they are saying that how much you will get paid when you do transcription. So they are paying on an average up to $1.10 per audio video minute for transcription, and for captioner they are paying almost same $1.10 per audio video minute. Now how you can get started? So for this website to get started, you have to qualify and give a quick quiz. Once you qualify in this English language and grammar quick quiz, then only you will be uploaded, right? Then submit a transcription and caption sample, which they will review and ensure if it meets the customer quality and expectation. If it is approved, then you will be able to register and start earning right away. And the best part, if you are aware about any foreign language other than your home country, then you will be get paid around $3 per audio video minute. I believe rather than doing a time pass at a home or staying at a home without doing anything, just try working on this website, get the transcription captioner work and see how much you can make money, right? So there are certain guidelines which I would like to share with you. Simply scroll up and click on learn more. You will land on the learn more page. Here also they are showing the eligibility criteria on this website. To become a freelancer, your age must be at least 18 years and you must be from all these accepted countries and location like Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, United States. And they are saying that you must be physically located in this area. It's not that you are staying somewhere and saying that, hey, I'm a resident from the United Kingdom. It's not like that. You must have some official identification from the approved country's location so that Rave.com can verify your identity, right? You must be thinking this $1.10 is too small. How you can earn around $500 to $1,000 monthly? Hey, don't worry. I'm going to show you each and every tip and tricks through which you can easily scale this up to $1,000 per month. Just stay tuned on this video till end. Don't skip it and subscribe and like this video so that others can get the notification of this video, and also this video will be popular and they can also work like you. And make money. So now let's move on to the scaling part. To scale the work which you get on Transcription Me and Rev.com, simply go to Google Docs, then click on the tools, then click on voice typing, then you will see this speaker icon. Simply click on it, then it will enable audio voice typing. So whatever you speak, it will type it as it is. So simply get the sample file from the Rev.com, transcribeme.com, speak it as it is, and this Google Docs will type it for you as it is. Once you are done, simply review whatever it has been typed, check the grammatical mistake if there are any, fine tune, save this file and submit the work on Rev.com as well as transcription.com. This is a simple hack. Once you do this kind of a work for 8 hours a day and for 30 days, then you can easily scale this for around $1,000 per month. That's it for today, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.